Hey guys, welcome to azxp Garage. Today we're gonna sand down the top of the flatbed trailer. The sealer that is on it is just about wore out, and we're just gonna sand it down and reseal it. It's already been pressure washed, and we're just about ready to go. But first I wanted to say that I know it's been a while since I put a video up, and thank you guys for sticking with me. Let's get started sanding on the trailer. Okay, so I just got done sanding it down with the 60 grit, and we're going to go back over it with 150 grit, maybe 220, just to make it a little bit smoother and maybe pick up some pieces that I may have missed. But first we're going to blow it off with air. So this is the floor prepped for the trailer. So I have sort of this vinyl that I'm just going to throw away, so I just decided to roll this out to catch all of the stain that goes in between the cracks of the trailer. And then I got some painter's plastic. So we're going to pull the trailer in and start masking. Okay guys, this is how I'm going to mask it. Got my masking tape here, and we're going to peel some of this off. Should have got this prepared before I started. Starting the masking tape is the hardest part. So we're going to get a piece of masking tape here, a nice piece like that. Rip it off, straighten it out, and then we're going to kind of go down this seam a little ways, stick it, and then fold it over. I hope you can see that on the camera. So let me grab the camera real quick. Alright, we're going to focus it in, so you can kind of see down into this crack here where my finger is. I kind of set the tape in there and then folded it back over the top, and then I'm going to tape newspaper on the top of this tape, and we're going to do this all the way around. I didn't want to film masking the whole thing because it's kind of boring, but that's basically what I'm going to do all the way around. So I'm going to put the camera away and get this masked up, and then we'll go from there. But I did want to show you how I'm masking this. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright guys, we got it all masked up, ready to go tomorrow. We're going to put the sealer on tomorrow morning. So just take a quick gander at that. Alright, we'll see you early tomorrow morning. Alright guys, we're ready to put on the deck sealer, and so let's get started. Okay, it's been an hour and we're on to our second coat. So we're going to do this a little bit different this time because we can't walk on it because it's still wet. So we're going to have to roll it from the side. So watch the fun. Also, I'm not sure what's going to happen to the picture, but we're going to have to roll up that second door so I can get to the back side. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, that's the second coat. Hope you got a good look at that. I hope that footage worked out good. Again, we're going to let it sit for an hour, and we're going to come back in an hour and do even a third coat. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay, we're back for the third coat, so let's get started. that wraps up the third one. We're going to come back in an hour for a fourth one. Yep, 4. Okay, so we're here for the fourth time. We're going to do the fourth coat. We're going to try and use up, we have about a third of the can left, which I think is too much to use, but we're going to try and use up this whole can, and this is going to be our last coat. So, here we go. Alright guys, here it is. This is 3 days of curing. It's ready to go outside. I wanted to take the masking tape off before now because I didn't want it to sit here for a couple days so it doesn't melt onto the trailer, but we'll see how it goes. What do you think? 4 coats. Alright, I'm gonna start pulling all the masking off, and then I'll end the video with some still shots of it out in the sun.